women's basketball, Bowling Green at home taking on Valparaiso. First quarter, Gracie White beats the buzzer from behind the arc. It's a one-point game early on. Falcons' Morgan Sharp then answer off the bench. Isaac flies it. Three is good. 12-10, Bowling Green in front. Second quarter, Alyssa Brett attacking the gap. Nice backdoor cut by Jocelyn Tate for the lay-in. It's a 5-point Falcon lead. In the third quarter, Amy Velasco takes over. 3 straight buckets for the freshman. 10 points the third alone. Bowling Green builds an 11-point lead. Later on, clock winding down. The Beacons' Carrie Weinman hits the 3 to end the third. Valpo on a 16-3 run. Fourth quarter, though, Velasco on the attack gets it a fall career-high 17-point performance as BG pulls away for the 69-53 victory. The bench providing a spark. Velasco and Sharp each with 17.
I think what got me going was just my teammates were excited for me. They had confidence in me, and it really helped my confidence.
She's a really good basketball player, and it was really fun tonight to see her play really aggressive. You know, we've kind of been waiting on that, encouraging that, because we know we've seen it in practice. You know, she's fast, she's good at finishing around the basket, and I just saw her really, anytime she found a small crevice, she really attacked it, and it was obviously a big difference maker for us. It gave us a lot of momentum in that third quarter.
Obviously, I let the game come to me. I mean, just in transition, I got open a lot, and I just let it fire. I mean, everyone's confident in me, so just let it fly.
She's an elite shooter, and she shoots like it, you know. She knows a make or a miss doesn't ever change the way she feels about the next shot. And I think that's, to be a great shooter, you've got to have that mentality, and she's bringing that to us at a high level. I mean, the fourth quarter, she made some just sort of really just big time shots, and it was cool. I was happy for her. She keeps that confidence, though. She's good at it.